In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete version history in Google Docs. This process is essential if you want to ensure that your document doesn't carry the baggage of its previous versions, allowing for a fresh start while maintaining the original content. Let's dive right in and take this step by step. Firstly, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to google.com. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email, and when you're ready, click Next. You'll then need to enter your password, so go ahead and type that in. Once you've done that, click Next again. This will grant you access to all of Google's linked services, including Google Docs. Next, in the top right corner of the Google homepage, locate the small icon that looks like a grid of squares. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on it, and from the list of applications that appears, select Google Docs. Doing this will take you into Google Docs, where you can see all your saved documents. Once inside Google Docs, choose the document whose version history you wish to delete. Open this document and direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. Click on File, which you'll find on the left side of this menu. From the drop-down list, select Make a Copy. A dialog box will appear asking you to give this copy a new name and select the folder where you want it saved. Here's a helpful tip. If you want to keep the same collaborators on this new document, check the box that says Share it with the same people. This ensures everyone who had access to the original will also have access to the new copy. After configuring the settings, click on Make a Copy. This action opens a new version of your document in a separate tab. Notably, this copy begins with a clean slate. That is, the version history starts fresh from the point of the copy's creation and will include only future edits. If you find that you no longer need the original document and want to tidy up your drive, head back to it. Click on File once more and select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. This will essentially save you space and keep your drive organized. It's as simple as that. You now have a document devoid of any previous version history, ready to continue with a clean background. If, however, you need to restore the original from trash for any reason, open